is Dorcas Sonde. I am from Zvimba community. Our focus. This is the home which we wish to have in our community. And these are trees nearby that home. And we have cattle for milking. And this is one of the lecturers of one of the projects we will be doing. And these are the other handworking, sewing and cutting patterns and knitting. And these are the tins we will be using watering our trees. And these are children of this uniform which we wish to sew. And these are the children of the preschool eating their food. And this is the delegation which will be I don't know what one can say, called to come and open our home in illegally.
Super.
Legally, legal means not illegal but legally.
Super. Thank you.